Hey guys, Happy New Year! It's a 2025 and we are super excited to be here. There are so many people who died, by the way. We should take a moment and thank God for his goodness. So I'm here in my garden. This is the banana plantation and the coffee. And so it's a new year. I just want to encourage somebody that is watching me right now, especially housewives. If you are a stay-home mom, maybe you quit your work or you're doing some kind of parenting, you have your reasons why you're at home. So I want to encourage you in this video. If you are watching me for the very first time, my name is Asperia. Kindly subscribe, join this family. For my returning subscribers, well done. Thank you so much. So, it's a new year, and I got a word that I'm going to use in this whole year, and that word is intentional. Being intentional in everything that we do. Let it be homekeeping, let it be cooking, let it be wifing, let it be anything. But then I want us to also look at, if you remove the title of Mrs. from your name, what else can you bring? Like, what other thing are you known for? And so I want to encourage you. Being at home does not mean that you are useless. It doesn't mean that you can't do anything. And gone are days when women were keeping homes without even caring for themselves. And one thing I've discovered ever since I started this marriage ministry, I discovered that at one point, even our men, they go broke. You find that, yes, you want this and that, but she's willing to do it, but he's broke. They need a push. So you got to start working, doing something. As I speak to you right now, there is that particular gift that God has put in you as a woman that you can do. You don't have to have an official job like or a formal employment to be successful. Just need to use what God has blessed you with, and every person is uniquely blessed. So many people are benefiting from their God-given talents. Some of you have a lot of knowledge that you can share with us. You are good entrepreneurs, you have started those courses. Share with us online and we learn from you, and then you'll be able to earn some good money. As you look at me right now, I'm not where I want to be, but I'm definitely not where I was. So this can be an encouragement. I do a lot of things. I do farming. I actually do a lot of things. I do farming. I establish gardens for people in their homes, in their compounds, in schools, in hotels. As you're watching me and maybe you need a garden, I can come and help you establish the garden and teach you on how to maintain it and be able to earn some money. So you can plant some vegetables around your home. You can plant some things what you spend money on most in your home. When you plant vegetables like basic vegetables, you may not earn a lot of money from them, but at least you can save the money that you would spend taking to the market to get those vegetables. If you look at the statistics, most of the things we consume in our houses, the most expensive ones on food, they are called vegetables. The tomatoes, onions, green pepper, bell peppers, etc. You find that you spend a lot of money on them. So if you're able to grow them around your home, well done. Please wake up, start and grow them. And if you're able to do other things like weaving, you can be able to do crafts, you can make baskets, you can make shoes, you can make bags, you can make things that for women. People will support you and you get something small. If you're good at cooking, you can give cooking tips. You can cook for us, daddies, escort, a lot of things that we need, and you'll be able to get money from at your home, even when you're just seated at home. There are so many business ideas that you can do as a wife. There is a woman I know, she buys like so many trays of eggs, and so she boils the eggs, puts in buckets, and give people to go and sell, and also give them some little money. So she earns a lot of money, yet she's just at home. You go to your friend who has a business, start marketing for them their businesses on your phone. Let someone admire that dress on your status, and you be able to sell them. You get something, so that you can be this push to your husband, your children. We don't have to sit. We don't have to just sit there and without doing anything. It is actually a sin, because God will not just throw money like He threw manna for the children of Israel from heaven. Pew, pew, pew. He didn't. He will not do that again. He will just bless the works of your hands. And so start something. As you pray to God to give you a financial breakthrough, He's not going to just bless empty hands. Please start using these hands to do something. And I know that God will bless you and will multiply you, and you'll be a CEO of your own. So let's walk this journey together. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, subscribe. I'm here to motivate you, especially housewives, to be a better version of yourself. Thank you so much for watching. It's a short video. I believe you found something helpful. Bye.